Alright, question 4. Examine this graph of line CD. What is the slope of the line? What is the equation of the line in slope form? Select one answer for choice A and select all correct answer choices for question B. Okay, so question A is what is the slope? Again, since they gave us a graph, we know that the slope is equal to the vertical change divided by the horizontal change. So I'm just going to count. So from point D to point C, how high did I change? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It went up 8 units. Horizontally, it went over 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4. So there's a vertical change of 8 units and a horizontal change of 4. 8 divided by 4 can reduce down to 2. So our slope is 2. So I'm looking for A at 2. So now when I'm looking at the rest of the formula, I know that this is going to be a 2. So this is what I would do. I would automatically go through these. I want to leave it so I'm not scrolling again. Can't. So, there. That way we can see our points and all of the options. So anything that has not a 2, I'm going to eliminate. So that's not a 2, that's not a 2, that's not a 2, that's not a 2, it's -2, that's not a 2. Okay, so now the next question is what are all the points that I can identify on the graph? Well, we have point D. It is at -1, -6. We have a y-intercept that I can see, which is located at 0, -4. That's the y-intercept. And we have point C, which is located at 3, 2. So we can see these clearly. We could also identify like this point right here at 1, -2, or the x-intercept at 2, 0. I am just cluing you guys in that these are the 3 key points that they're looking for. So points and x and y intercepts are good key bets to work with. So when we are working with our equation for point D, our coordinates are x1, y1. So wherever we see y1, we would replace it with -6. So that's going to be -6. And again, y minus a negative can be rewritten as plus. And x minus x1, so wherever we see x1, we're going to replace it with the -1 because that's the x coordinate. So -1 and x minus a -1 can be rewritten as plus. So that's the one I'm looking for there. For that point, for the y-intercept, we have that this is our x1 and this is our y1. So y1 is going to be replaced with -4. And again, we have y minus a -4, so that's going to be rewritten as +4. And then we have x1, which is 0. So wherever x1 is, we write 0. Now, I'm going to talk this one through. X minus 0. Subtracting 0 doesn't change a value, so we can rewrite it as x, because adding or subtracting 0 will not change that value. So that is that equation. So again, now we have the point C at 3, 2, so this is now our x1 and this is now our y1. So y1 is going to be replaced with 2. And since it's not negative, we leave it as such, and x1 is 3, so we leave that as 3. So that is our equations for these. So then I'm going to be scanning through these and look for y plus 6 is equal to 2 times quantity x plus 1. Y plus 6 is equal to 2 times quantity x plus 1. There's that one. Y plus 4 is equal to 2 times x. So I'm looking for a y plus 4 is equal to 2 times x. And the last one is y minus 2 times quantity is equal to 2 times the quantity of x minus 3. So y minus 2 is equal to 2 times the quantity of x minus 3, and that is our options.